drove into St. Louis from Kansas City yesterday, and I'll be honest, it was a little bit difficult getting into this city. Kind of got lost, kind of got frustrated, just thinking about just moving on. But I was trying to persist. This will be the third night that I've just slept basically in the back of my truck. I woke up, I don't even know what time it was. There was some employee, it's a state park or state campground. There was some employee there, opened his door, and I was like, oh man, this could be the end of my St. Louis experience. I was just thinking, what kind of ticket do you get for camping somewhere you're not supposed to camp? Is it trespassing? Is it, I don't even know what it is. Instead of checking what ticket they left, I just went right back to sleep. Figured I'd check it in the morning and see how positive I was going to be about St. Louis today. There was nothing on my truck, so I was super happy. I made it in. I walked to the arch. Last night I explored Delmar Loop. That's a place for busking. I was checking out the Grove. The Grove could be a place for busking too, although I haven't seen it anywhere online. And then Central West End is popular for busking. I haven't checked that out yet, but I was just walking. I wasn't really planning on playing, but I came upon this Pride Parade, and that seemed like really nice. You know, it was outside. There was people gathering. So I just really felt like grabbing my guitar, and I sat down. I threw out my hat for tips. I only made $1, but I played like maybe 7 songs. Everybody wants to know where they're gone. Everybody knows what the cards are shown. Everybody stands with their hand on the chin. Everybody looks like they fit right in. And I just had a really good time with like the openness and the bonding, the community of the Pride feeling. And this old World War II vet came and sat next to me on his like chair with his cane and things, and he was like, man, things have changed a lot. Back in my days, they just killed the gay people, you know. And that was really kind of amazing to appreciate how much things have changed and how great it is that people can go out and celebrate and just be yourselves. So it felt good to contribute to that and just hang out on the grass and watch the people. And somebody said she appreciates what I'm doing. You're just kind of like creating an atmosphere and contributing to the people who want to get together and have a good time. That's what it's about. Saw the arch. I forgot to touch it though. I told myself I was going to go and touch the arch, and then I forgot. It's one of those things that I regret now, and I'm never going to remember about that ever again. I'm heading out to Branson, Missouri now. Hopefully a place where it's easier to find some camping, maybe some proper camping, like where I actually pay for it, and get a shower. That'd probably be nice. I'm on the 5th day of the 2nd leg of the 2019 busking experiment, and I've just been documenting all these places that I'm seeing and the music scene and kind of my experience with it with the people through actually playing music in front of them through busking. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for checking this out. If you know of any, if you've had any busking experiences in St. Louis or surrounding regions or anywhere, just let me know how it goes. Let me know what works out well for you. And if you hit the share, hit the subscribe and the bell for notifications. I come out with one new video once a week where I talk about my experiences. I post my music, I post my psychological ideas, because I'm into that kind of stuff. St. Louis was a little bit off. I went to a coffee shop, got a bagel with cream cheese, and they gave me Greek cream cheese. How is that even a thing, Greek cream cheese? And then I went to this other coffee shop. They didn't even have power to plug my laptop in. Like, what the hell, St. Louis? Then I went to Delmar Loop. Parking meter wouldn't take my suggested time. It only gave me 20 minutes parking, which was probably for the best. And there's a bunch of people going to a Rush concert. They're wearing Rush t-shirts. They're all like Rush fanatics. There's like people in the parking lot with Rush on their license plate.